Let's get started with your first quote. Pop in a job name. This could be anything you want to remember your job by moving forward. Next, click on your options for dispatch, whether it be pick up from factory or delivered to an address. If you're entering an address, you can save it to your address book and set it as a default address for future reference. Now you're into your job. On the left-hand side, you've got a menu which shows you all the different options for adding different types of items to your quote. We're going to add some cabinets, so let's click Add Product. All the sizes and specs can be modified, and you'll see on the right-hand side an interactive 3D model of the product that will change as you make modifications to your sizes. You can do things like opening and closing the door or changing to a wireframe view. Products will have a range of different options that can be changed. Things like top selection, whether or not you want your product to be assembled or flat packed, hardware to be included or not, whether you want your door faces on or off, and the same applies for adjustable legs. Click Next and go to the Materials tab. Here you can define the types of door that is to be used on your product. After selecting your desired door type, it will present to you all the material options that are available for that door type. We've selected a flat panel melamine door. Next we will see all the brands, finishes and colours that are available for that particular door type. You can filter by the brands on the left hand side, and then over on the right side of the pop-up you can further filter down by the finish types. If you know the name of the colour, type that in for an even more advanced search. If an option is available in different thicknesses, it will display in a drop-down above the colour swatch. Alternatively, if you know the name of your colour, simply type in the name and you will see all the matches available. After clicking Next, we move to the Doors tab, where we can change things like the hinge type and size of the door. So for example, if you want to lower the height of the door to accommodate a drop front vanity, we can do that by applying a margin to the top of the door. Or in the other instance, if we want to extend our doors past the cabinet carcass, we can use a negative value in the margin section on the particular side that you want to extend. For a cabinet that can have shelves, you'll also have the ability to set the type of shelf and quantity. You can go advanced, where you can get more granular control over things like specific shelf locations, setbacks, and also the shape of your shelf. Once you're happy with your selection, click Save. Here you'll receive a pop-up asking if you want to apply these selections that you've made on this product to all future products that you'll add to your quote. If you don't want something updated as a default setting, simply toggle it off by clicking on the switch. Click Save and update defaults, and there you go. Your first product is added into your order. Let's add one more, this time a drawer cabinet. Drawer cabinets have pretty much all the same specs as our previous door cabinet. However, we can now go in and customize our drawer face options. To change the different heights of drawers, change your style from auto height to fixed height, and then enter in your desired height of the drawer face. As you can see there, we've updated the drawer height to 150mm. Different drawer options that suit this new drawer face height will automatically update, and if required, you can specify a shorter nominal length on the drawer runner. Click Save, and we've added another item to your quote. Now that we're happy with the products that we've added, we can take advantage of the important document that gets created alongside our order. Click on the PDF button up the top right hand side to view our job details and product specifications in a downloadable document format. As you can see, each product is listed with the selections and modifications that we have made along the way, including product materials, dimensions, and the margins that we have set for our doors and drawers. After reviewing the job details PDF, we are now ready to submit the job. A pop-up will display confirming that you have reviewed the job information on your job details PDF, and lastly, a final confirmation check to make sure that the job you're submitting is exactly what you require. Hit yes, and your job has now been submitted.